Wow, my LinkedIn is now being automated by an AI agent who's creating highly viral LinkedIn posts. It even created a very beautiful picture for it. 100% automated, and it can do the same for you. I just created this Google Sheet and put some viral LinkedIn IDs in it. What I done after is I've connected it to this AI agent. ZeroWork is a platform where you can automate any AI agent with on any platform. What this specific agent does is it goes to ChatGPT, it asks, can you create a picture about this LinkedIn viral subject? It creates the image. After it will ask hey, create a highly engaging LinkedIn post from within the subject. It will actually do that. You will get the LinkedIn post. Then the AI agent will automatically scrape the image, scrape the post, and it will post it directly on your LinkedIn. Let me show you how you can set it up for scratch so you can every day create and generate and post a viral LinkedIn post and also grow your LinkedIn substantially. So the first thing you should do is grab the link in the description to get your free trial of ZeroWork. Press on start for free and register your account. When you've created your account, you can now install the relevant agent to your system. After installing the agent, you can sign into your account with your credentials so your agent is ready to work for you. The next thing you should do is go to the integration settings and connect your Google Sheet so you can connect the IDs to the agent. Now go and grab the second link down in the description so you can copy the LinkedIn poster template to your agent. Add testbot to my account. Now we are almost finished. There are a couple more things to do. The first thing is connect the Google Sheet. So create a new Google Sheet account, open the table and copy all the columns over to your Google Sheets. It is very important that the columns are exactly the same names as the ones from the agent. Now you can copy the URL of the Google Sheets and convert this table to a Google Sheet. You can just add your link, press convert, and now it's converted to a Google Sheet. Now let's put in the IDs. So I've went and I've generated 10 engaging LinkedIn IDs for topics I like, and you can just copy the IDs and paste them inside. So now every time it runs, it will create a LinkedIn post from a new ID. It will also generate an image with it, and when it's finished, it will say which dates it posted the ID. So this is finished. The last thing we have to do is to connect our LinkedIn account and our ChatGPT account. Head over and take the third link from the description to install the cookie editor. And what you then should do is go over to your LinkedIn account where you are logged in, click on the cookie editor and export the cookies. Go back to the template, go to settings and import the cookies. Then go to your logged in ChatGPT account, click again on the cookie editor and copy the cookies from your ChatGPT account and paste them inside add more cookies. Now we can also schedule the agent to run every single day, so it will make a post every single day. In the meantime, we will also start the agent to see the magic happening, and I will also explain you how I created this testbot in ZeroWork. So it's very simple. Every time it runs over the Google Sheet and it will only do one iteration. So it will always take the next ID. It will open ChatGPT. It will then click add an image. It will then ask hey, can you create a professional eye-catching image to accommodate the LinkedIn post? After that, when the image is created, it will scrape the image and save the image. Then it will ask to write a highly viral LinkedIn post. Then it will also scrape the LinkedIn post. Let's see what is happening here. Now we can see live that the agent is actually hey, create a professional eye-catching image to accommodate the LinkedIn post about the rise of AI co-pilots, how they're changing the daily workflow. Now we see the image is being generated. In the meantime, we will go further. So when it scrapes the image and the LinkedIn post, it will actually open the LinkedIn feed. And because we have added the cookies, it can now access also our LinkedIn. So it will open our LinkedIn. It will click add media. When it clicks add media, it will then upload the media. It will then click next. It will just insert the the GPT post, so the scraped post, what it's scraped, and then it will actually click post, and it will update the datum that it posts to the Google Sheet. This is everything. You see, even somebody with no coding experiences could start to learn make AI agents very, very, very quickly. If you like this video, please subscribe. Also check out my other videos where I learn how to make AI agents from scratch. And there is also a Discord group where there are so many templates, AI agents where you can automate Twitter with, LinkedIn with, Facebook with, any platform. You have some template ready for it. Thank you so much for watching this video.